Hi! In front of me is Vivo V23 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access calendar by clicking on it. Then click on this little icon at the bottom right corner, choose Got It and tap on the month above. Following that, pick a date and create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tapping on event over here. Then adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title, pick starting hour or ending one, choose does not repeat and select one of those options like every year, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, take notes, add attachments, change color, and even set up location over here by tapping on while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. Then click on save at the top right corner and as you can see my event was created. You can edit it by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner and making your changes. Then choose save at the top right corner. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it again, but this time tap on those three dots at the top right corner, select delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!